personal room. Nice.
But
Clean.
popular
Popular.
girl, famous girl. So
Yes.
you should make a maid. Why you work yourself?
না কইতাছে
I don't know what to
আমি
say.
বলি, আমি
They have
বলি।
just one
Yes.
answer. Every time just say I don't know what they mean.
আমি বলি না বলতেছি কি জানেন আমি বলি
I don't know. Just one answer. What they mean? Anything? My God! Look at the
popular,
camera. Look
popular.
at the camera. What you say? What you teach? What? I don't know Bengali. That's a different. What? What is it? What the mean? Is it? What the mean? Is it?
না
My
বুনো
God.
পপুলার Sumaya BP.
BP. Sumaya BP.
Yes.
No. He's very popular.
Pelleting. Wow. Follower. Pelleting. Follower.
Oh my God. Maybe Google Translate should confuse what this guy say because I don't know how they speak the writing. What they say, I don't know. What they mean?
Yeah.
What? Repeat it with me.
Hello?
You have just one answer? You just say one answer? I don't know. Why you cleaning? You're so famous.
Yes.
Why you brushing home? You don't have maid?
আচ্ছা পরে কথা বলতেছি
You don't have maid? Why you
Yo.
Why you watch?
নিজের ফ্যামিলি বাসা কাম তো করতেই পারে নো বুয়া নো ইয়েস পপুলার এস নিজের
Hey,
জব জব
I know you're a popular girl in Bangladesh. So why you
জব
don't have maid?
জব জব জব
Jogging?
জগিং
It's jogging, not job.
ইয়েস
It's the meaning job. Jogging. What is a job?
ইয়েস পার্সোনাল রুম
I don't know. They make me confused. Hey, Bibi, your wife say just one answer. Really? What they mean? Really? If I say anything, she says
Okay,
anything.
again.
I say she is a very popular girl. I know. So why they
She is
Right.
Bangladeshi popular content
content creator, right? So why they brush herself? Why don't have maid?
ইউর
I say.
পছন্দ ইংলিশ কি ভাই
Huh?
লাইক নাইস ইউর রুম
What?
হ্যাঁ কইতাছে কাজের লোক কে লাগে রাখা হয় না আর কি
Confuse me. I
ভাবি
don't
যে
know what they say. This guy. Why you confuse me?
ইউ নাইস মাই রুম
হ্যাঁ কইতাছে যে
She is very popular content creator, but they have to.
নিজের কাজ
They have to
করলে
make-
দক্ষতা বাড়ে এটা ইংলিশ
Why you work yourself? You don't have maid.
ইংলিশে
You don't have money. You don't have money.
নো
No,
নো
Oh, you pay.
She is a house owner.
House owner.
Yes.
ইয়েস ইয়েস ইয়েস
She says you pay for work.
নো 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 নিজের কাজ নিজে করা
I don't know. Maybe they're fighting. I say that's why they're fighting. I don't know. I don't know.
He is Philippine.
I'm from-
I'm from Bangladesh
I'm from
foreigner.
Philippines. Yeah,
Yeah.
Philippines, Manila. But
Okay.
don't fight with your husband, okay?
আমি ইংরেজি এত পারি না কিন্তু হালকা পাতলা ইশারা টিশারা বলতে
It's good things to you work yourself. I just say only just fun. Don't fight with this guy, okay?
Okay.
Don't fight.
মানে উনি বলছে তোমার সাথে শুধুমাত্র মজা করেছে
Don't fight, okay? Work with yourself. No need to hire the maid.
না she's no অহংকারী আর কি মানে তার ভিতরে কোনো অ্যাটিটিউড
No attitude. No
Yeah.
arrogance.
Yeah.
Yeah. I like this type of girl.
Hmm.
It's very familiar.
small girls
Familiar.
yeah
Oh,
small
yeah.
family girls
You have sister? Same copy sister?
normal girl হ্যাঁ
You have sister?
মানে তোমার
তোমার
বোনের
বোন
কথা
আছে।
বলতেছে yes she sister only 10 years old
10 years. So how I can get this
বিয়ের কথা
chance?
বলতেছে হ্যাঁ
How I can get this chance? They have one sister but 10 years. How I can get this chance? I like familiar girl like this type. She is very popular in Bangladesh. You can't believe.
he is মানে বাংলাদেশি মেয়েকে সে বিয়ে করতে চাচ্ছে তো যদি কেউ বিয়ে করতে চান যোগাযোগ করতে পারে
I don't know what they say is true. It's true.
True.
But I like this type of familiar girl who work with herself, no arrogance, no attitude. She is a very famous popular. You can't believe. But you can see they work up herself. Work herself. This type girl. I like this type. Bye bye.
হ্যাঁ?